Kicengsi kardom labang so YouTube channel long kilangara to ana fans tame lapen pini labang ke SBI Apparentix awarding warsai apurag si labang so video long nang nito manang tan perchini ponek po apus labang ke 7,150 ando lasi ningki hanga bang pu bang pitum jogdon example tan nang nitum labang so video kiceng pen kichut an lang ponikon nang nitum la so YouTube channel long jang sinang kamari milang pute chingan be subscribe gon lapen videos tame nang nitum share ponikon tante non SBI in pen kapek lang pon awarding warsai putag le lang pon nang lapen citan pon nang tangde non patiek pen SBI Apprentix recruitment mate Apprentix wareng warsai aputhagle citan pon nang apusamen labang ke Apprentix lo lapen vacancies kadu ka pen dag 7,151 an diak thai 50 an dag apus vacancies to lo lapen organization pon labang ke SBI mate State Bank of India hin pen lo qualification labang so awareng warsai pan kinangji labang ke graduation unnangji lapen ke apply nangji labang ke online se apply nang po lapen application fee mate apply anam labang ke pharagathom mate 300 an nang po lapen labang so awareng warsai da ka apply ki cheng pon labang ke 19 May 2026 में से चेंग पन लो lapen last date labang ke non kiwangji 8 June 2026 an si last date lo jongsi nalitum jogdon vekji pulotang te labang so video labang kinali tum kicheng pen kijud anlang igon lapen State Bank of India hin pen matre Central Recruitment lapen Promotion Department hin pen stami ladak wareng warsai kapik lang pondolo lasi Indian jong nali tum jong si Indian citizen pulotang te lap so awareng warsai pen bangke jogdon long po lapen total labang ke 7,150 anlo training asit kipi pon labang ke kadu kabe penda 34 state lapen union territories aparmano lapen advertisement number dan item da screen long stame hek polongji CRPD slash lapen AWPR slash 2026-27/07 lapen online registration mate ka apply labang ke 19 May pen sidak cheng ponlo lapen last date labang ke 8 June 2026 ang si last date lo lapen dak Assam labang ke Assam aparman kadu ka VPN 368 and training seat nona madda ke pipondo lason dak Kamrup Metro lapen Dibrugarh Kachar Nogong Kamrup rural lapen kaprek district along stame bipon iglo lapen Karbi Anglong West Karbi Anglong East Karbi Anglong aparman tado nilino nalitamapan napiklang ponik po lapen post में नीले amot apula FRNT ka post lapen organization la bangke State Bank of India pen la advertisement number na nitum da screen long thek ponongon lang ponon lapen 7,150 training seat do lapen vacancies kadu ka pen la dak 368 and dak Assam aparman bang vacancies kipi pondolo lapen qualification kinangzi la bangki graduation onangzi graduation on napul tananitum la bang so awareng warsai fanalitum jogdon longik po lapen graduation diakta age limit labang ke 20 pen minimum 20 nang po maximum 28 years an atum si jogdon longik po age calculation pon igi labang ke alang litum ladak ka mention pon ateng si calculation pon ik po lapen training duration labang ke 1 year an lo lapen lason dak chiklo jana long 15,000 per month na litum long ponik po also claim training PY hol application mode labang ke online si pinang po lapen local language of Assam SMS Bengali Bodo lai unang po tingnan si lapen vacancy breakdown for Assam state Assam along kipipon 368 vacancies kipipon buta dakithak pon tulo SC category atuman 25 an kipipondo ST atuman 44 OBC atum 99 lapen EWS candidate atum 36 lapen UR atum 164 lapen PWBD 6 atum VI atum ledak 4 PWBD HI atum le dak 4 an kipipondo asan atak PWBD DNE atum afanstame ladak bangkit ham aparman kipi pondo kadu kabe pendak 368 an kipi pon do iklo Lapen district-wise training seat in Assam labang kelasana candidate from Assam can choose up three prepared district at the time of registration. Allotment of the final training district will be done by bank as a per administrative requirement. Lapen Ladakh seat available lasonna litum ka apply hod lahaya seat banane tum chongwai don ignang po kicheng si labang ki kachara long 28 a seat do jang si kumani dima sopen district ben do pulte dima solong idan do lapen nalbari long stami kadu ka bipenda idan a seat do barpeta long 6 ando bazali long 4 lapen baksa long 3 lapen boigaon long 10 lason hatag Kokorazara long 11 Chiranga long 7, Devriya long 17, South Salamara Mankachara long 1, Son Hatagdag Karimganj along 12, Golaghat along 5, Majuli along 3, Lapen Dibrugarh along 36, Sunitpur along 5, North Lakhimpur along 6 and Kipi Pondolo. Lason Hatagdag Kamrup Metro along Stame 68 and Kipi Pondo. Nagaon along 24, Morigaon along 6, West Karbi Anglong along Banghini, lapen East Karbi Anglong along Bangkresi, labanan tumning Cibigon, kado kabe West Pen East Pangrupen Pendag Bangkretom, Aparmana Sido, asan natadag Hojai along Stami, Hojai District Aparman Stami 11, Kamrup Rural along 21, Tamulpur along 3, Golpura along 9, lapen Darang along 7, Hailakandi along 8 and lapen Chiraidao along 3, Bangke Thoman lapen Jorhat long 6, Sipsagar long 6, Dhimaji long 6, Udalguri 3, lapen Bisunat Charali along 4 andak KP Pondolo. Lapen Ketogiri labang ke lason application fee permanent. General OBC EWS atum 300 pinangi, ST SC lapen PWBD a candidate atum sikai sita ladag application fee labang ke pipon nang nelo. Selection process labang kelasana. Selection process will be on online written test flow by the test, the local language, final engagement in the subject, verification of eligibility documents and medical fitness check by the bank. The online written test is the objective nature of careers 100 marks across 4 sections, each time separately of 15 minutes. There is negative marketing on 1/4 of the market assigned. Let's say online written test si pada ponik po kado kami pendak 100 marks ano lapan 15 minutes long ponik po. Lason ata question ki wangzi la bangke general lapan financial awareness question kado kami pendak 25 question people lapan marks tame 25 lo upward 15 minutes and people po. General English tame 25 question 25 marks 15 minutes lapan quantitative aptitude upon Stamidak 25 question 25 marks 15 minutes. Reasoning ability and computer aptitude upon Stamidak 25 question 25 marks 15 minutes. Katuka Vipendak 100 question 100 marks 60 minutes and people for the local language test conduct the short lectures and candidate on written examination. Candidates who are previous of class 10 or 12 marks certificates so having the study in now with the local language are extended in the test. And my important examination center in Assam. Nani tumla examination center dak pencong wide na po kay apply hotse. Lapen registration lapan stame dak tokpon dolo. Lapen notification date dak release pon labang ke 19 May lo lapen application start 19 May. Apply and 18 June 2026 lapen call letter release June malam se release pon iko online exams tame July malam se online exam nani tum pinang po. Labang sa article lang wala po nani tum dak pen stame apply link long exi lapen registration application forms tame long ponik po official notifications tame nani tum long ponik ji sining ke ha tum try don thaj lapen jog don ikta lapen laso videos tame nani tum share ikta kar beng lo ras tame playing nang lapen puchinik na jogji aprang nani tum botai si notification lakilang nang ji labang kinang sor properly nani tum lang pame pen la nani tum jog don ikon Tanga do me thang me kadu kabi kar bichis 2.0 YouTube channel long kilang rado ana fans tame nilin pen kardom